Well, we used to sell about 10% of our total manufactured products to Tanzania. As it is now, with the border closed, we are not selling very much. We're still selling some. But we have found other markets. So the adjustment has been a little bit painful, but we've made it.
Is Kenya threatened, its long-term economic performance threatened by the uncertainty of its relationships not only with Tanzania, but with other countries around it, which seem to be taking a different sort of a path with respect to their politics and their economics?
Well, not exactly threatened, but it does affect us in that we shall have to divert a very significant proportion of our resources towards expenditures for defense. And thus, this means that we will not be spending as much as we would like to do on other economic services. Now, that is a very unfortunate position, but then that is the reality of the world in which we now live in.